Hello friends, welcome back to Devananda OIFS Junior, and this is our 7th history class, and today we will be learning about the arts and crafts and trade and commerce in Mesopotamia. And first of all, let us look into the arts and crafts in Mesopotamia. So the Mesopotamians, they were highly creative and industrious. Okay, so they were highly creative and industrious, and the Mesopotamians found the methods of sculpting, weaving and pottery. They have shown their work in sculpting, weaving and pottery, and they also made jewelry. Okay, the Mesopotamians also made jewelry, and can you see? This is an ornament from Mesopotamia. Okay, they used gold. They used gold and lapis lazuli. Okay, they used gold and lapis lazuli for making jewelry. Can you see? This particular stone is called lapis lazuli. They also made furniture using wood and reeds. The Mesopotamians also made furniture using wood and reeds. Okay, so they also showed their work in the field of carpentry, and these designs they made, they were really beautiful. Okay, so the designs made by the Mesopotamians, they were really beautiful, and as I said at the beginning, they were really talented people. Mesopotamians, they might be the first people to use the potter's wheel. Okay, the wheel used in pottery, it is called the potter's wheel. Okay, so a stone potter's wheel was found in the city of Ur, which dates back to the 3129 BCE. Okay, so here also again advancements that came in, and because of the ornaments and various metal objects that have been found, we know that the Mesopotamians, they were skilled at metallurgy. What do you mean by metallurgy? Metallurgy means the study of metals. Okay, means how to craft them, how to mix them accordingly to create other alloys. Okay, so metallurgy, it was a subject. Okay, and we know that the Mesopotamians, they were highly skilled in metallurgy. We know that they are highly skilled at metallurgy because of the different statues, the different ornaments, the beautiful ornaments and other metal objects found at the city. Okay, so that's about the arts and crafts in Mesopotamia, and now let us look into the trade and commerce in Mesopotamia. So, due to the surplus agricultural produce, there arose trade in Mesopotamia. What did they trade? Okay, what was traded? The beginning of trade started with the barter system. Means we didn't have money at that time, right? The concept of money and currency was not there. So we would just exchange goods. Farm produces, they were exchanged for timber, stone and other precious metals. Okay, farm producers, they were traded for timber, stone and other precious metals. And do you know something? Really, in India, we have a civilization called the Harappan civilization. Okay, we'll be learning about this civilization soon. Okay, the Harappan civilization. This is a famous civilization in India. This is the oldest civilization in India. According to the studies till now, there is a connection of this civilization with the Mesopotamian civilization. Really, when trade transactions are done, they would seal the goods, okay, with seals. They had seals at that time. Okay, so they would seal the goods. And do you know something? In sites of Harappa, okay, in sites of the Harappan civilization, really we found out Mesopotamian seals. We found the seals from Mesopotamia in the Harappan civilization. We found the seals from Mesopotamia in the Harappan civilization, and in the same way in the Mesopotamian areas. In Mesopotamia, we also found Harappan seals. The Harappan seals were found in Mesopotamia as well. So, what can we understand from this? In India, we had the Mesopotamian seals, and in Mesopotamia, they had the Harappan seals. So, it shows that there were extensive trade that was happening between the two areas, means between Mesopotamia and the Harappan areas, there were extensive trade which was happening, and it is not just the Harappan civilization. Mesopotamia also had trade with Egypt. Mesopotamia also had trade with Egypt. We will be also learning about Egypt in this term. Okay, so Mesopotamia, it also had trade with Egypt and other Mediterranean countries, means the countries that border the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so there were trade transactions between these areas. And the Mesopotamians, they maintained strict records of all business transactions on clay tablets, means on clay tablets they recorded every transaction that happened. Okay, and this was about the trade and commerce which happened in the city of Mesopotamia. And in the next video we will be looking into the religion and culture in Mesopotamia, and we will be also learning about the writing and literature in Mesopotamia. So that's it for today. Thank you.